Welcome aboard this 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS. My name is Tom Eckers. Enjoy this video. This brand new 42 GLS is available at MarineMax Pensacola. She is floating in the water, and if you look at her, she's gorgeous. Starting at the back of the boat, I've got twin 600 horsepower Mercury Verado V12 engines, plenty of power for this boat. And then you'll notice right here, this fishing pedestal with these cup holders. This has got the fishing package on it, so I've got the live well built in right underneath the seat. Included in that fishing package, I've got the Taco carbon fiber rod holders, a live well, and a fish box on this boat. Moving a little bit further into the boat, you're gonna notice the beach doors. I love when these fold down, giving you extra room for the family to hang off, relax. Whether you're at Sand Island or you're gonna drive over to Crab Island and spend some time there, it's a beautiful feature, and to have two of them on a 42-foot boat, that is fantastic. It's unheard of. This 42 GLS is equipped with a Seakeeper 6. Fantastic for keeping your boat calm and comfortable even in rough water, as well as a generator to keep your AC running and all your electrical running just the way that you want for a full day on the water. Another great feature of the 42 GLS inside the cockpit is the use of seating. I've got beautiful U-shaped seating here. There's plenty of it. It's large. There's almost more seating on this than the 50 GLS that they have in inventory. Really great, comfortable seating, lots of corners, and in the corners, cup holders for everyone, because everyone's gonna have a drink on this boat. Everybody's gonna be enjoying themselves, relaxing. Let's take a look at the bar right over there. Obviously, I have a sink here, but additionally, a Kenyon electric grill, plenty of room around it for staging food, utensils. And then I got a little TV stand right here. So if I'm just relaxing on the water and enjoying the game, I can be grilling as well. Friends and family here, everyone has a perfect spot on this boat. On the other side of the bar, very comfortable bar stool. From this vantage point, I can see the hardtop open. I can feel the windows opening and have that breeze rolling through. If the weather is bad, we can close it all off and everyone's talking in here comfortable. Just another phenomenal spot to enjoy on a 42 GLS with friends and family. At the helm station on a 42 GLS, this has got dual SIMRAD displays. I've got my Seakeeper screen right here. Easy switches for everything else, which I really appreciate. I don't need to go through any menus or anything. They're right here accessible. Steering wheel in a fantastic spot. Whether I am standing or sitting, very comfortable on this boat. Joystick right here with built-in cruise control and skyhook, which makes maneuvering this boat effortless. You look like a seasoned captain anytime you're behind the wheel. Down in the cabin, plenty of amenities as well as picnic style seating. If I want to, I can drop that table down and it all becomes a lounger and a sun pad. I've got the microwave, I've got a refrigerator, and I've got the berth underneath. So if I'm overnighting even with guests, plenty of room for everyone, as well as a full-size head. Just past the full windshield, the bow of the 42 GLS does not stop impressing. I've got 8 cup holders up here. I've got speakers. I got sound control with my Rockford Fosgate. I've got the windlass anchor right off the front. Love the layout. Plenty of room up here for everybody to enjoy themselves. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of this 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS. For more video and content, click the link below.